name is SJ. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple electric circuit. Let's get started! Materials needed: copper wire, bulb holder, small flashlight bulb, dry cells, switch, and electrical tape. First step, get 3 pieces of copper wire and remove about half centimeter of insulation at both ends. We remove the insulation of the copper wire because the current will flow easily. An insulator is a material that does not allow electricity to pass through. Second step, assemble the materials. Electric bulb glows only when the circuit is closed. When you open the circuit, a complete loss of current occurs. I open and close the circuit by disconnecting the copper wire from the dry cells. The function of the switch is to turn on and off the electricity supply to the bulb. Loosen the bulb and turn on the switch. When you loosen the bulb, the electricity will not flow. That's why the bulb doesn't produce light. Light the bulb, then remove one of the wires. Turn on the switch. The bulb doesn't work because the circuit is not complete. Here's the complete setup of simple electric circuit. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.